What's up, guys? Today I got my Team Associate two-wheel drive short course truck. I'm going to install some battery straps to accommodate my 3S LiPos. Currently they got this battery brace here. It bends a little bit in order, well, you have to bend it in order to secure the battery in place. So I'm going to get rid of that so I can better secure my 3S LiPo. All I'm going to do is, let me get this out of the way. I'm just going to Dremel on the battery frame here, and then put these battery straps in there. I got these on eBay, pretty cheap. You get, I don't know, like 12 for like, I don't know, $8 or something like that. So all I'm doing is going to Dremel, make a nice little slit here, slide this across, and I'm going to do two of them, one on each side, and then that'll better secure my 3S LiPos, and I think it'll be safer for the battery in general. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting that into place and then show you the outcome. Okay, I got the one strap in. Obviously you can see I got my cuts, and I'm going to install the first strap or the second strap, whatever you want to call it. There we go. Okay, I'm noticing another problem. These straps are way too long. So this is the Velcro, and then this is the soft side of the Velcro. I have too much of it. Not a big deal. I will either shorten these up or order some new straps. Most likely I'll try to find some styrofoam and fill it in. Or for now I could just use another battery. Yeah. Like I said, most likely I'll just get another, I'll buy some straps. Or not some straps, some styrofoam. But there you have it. Shouldn't go nowhere, I hope. But it's better than this brace. But thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Hope it gave you an idea to go mod your own RCs to improve it. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace.